Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Grunt Streams here with another tech review. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and let's get to it. We're gonna show you guys the Meshforce whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. We're gonna show you guys what's inside. We're gonna show you guys how to set it up with the Meshforce app, and then we're gonna show you guys some speed tests and see if we can get some consistent signal throughout the house. All right, so stay tuned, and we're gonna show you guys right now. All right, guys, so here we go. Tech specs. Your tech specs here, and you got your in the box. So what's in the box? You got one Meshforce M3 and power adapter, two Meshforce M3 dots, one Ethernet cable, and of course the installation guide. So there you can see what we're supposed to get inside: your router and your two M dots. All right. And then it's supposed to cover 4,000 square feet because we got the M3 suite with the two dots. So you can see, you try and place that router right center in the middle, and then you can spread out the other M3 dots throughout your house so you can get that consistent signal all throughout your house. So let's check out what's inside. The box looks really nice and slick. I like the black color. I know they do have white, but of course black just looks so much cleaner. Of course, you're gonna have to register, download that MyMesh application, and that's how you're gonna end up setting it up. So here's your little M3 dot router. Let's get that open. Look how slick that looks. That's where you're gonna plug in your modem, and then you got that extra slot if you want to plug in something just directly into the Ethernet port. And of course, that's where you plug in your power adapter. And then of course you got your little M dots here. This is what you're gonna spread around your house. Just plug and play. You just plug them in and they should connect automatically. Of course, you got your reset button here, and then in case you want to hardwire any devices that are close by, you can always do that as well. And of course, you got your Ethernet cable here, and then of course you got your power supply. So just so you guys can know, these things feel super light. Like, this thing is super light. So I mean, I'm pretty sure the quality is pretty good, but they're just super light. So, but the plastic feels really good on the outside, nice and matte, not really shiny. I'd rather go for a matte finish than a shiny finish that reflects everything. So it's got a nice little design up here. But yeah, well, I mean, we'll check out how everything works. And of course, I mean, you're not going to be throwing this thing around everywhere, so it should be good. So let's go check out how these things work. We'll install the application and set these things up with our Wi-Fi. Hey, what's going on? So let's install the MyMesh application from the Google Play Store. Installing now. So I'm pretty sure it is in the Apple Store. I don't have an iPhone to show you guys. So, but we got this installing right now. So let's open it up. And then we're just gonna connect to the network ID, and the password should be on the bottom of the router. So we're just gonna enter that password and let's get connected. All right, so once it identifies your network, you're gonna change it to whatever we want. Change it to your name and password that you're going to create. And once that's done, it's going to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network with the new SSID and password that you created. And then of course you can place those mesh dots, plug them in,
and put them close by, and as you can see, they're all highlighted green, which means they're all connected, and we are all set up. And now we're gonna go through, as you can see, we got some settings. You can do a guest network, parental control, and even add up to 6 mesh points. So you can, if you have a bigger house and you want to purchase those, you can go ahead and do so. They sell them individually on Amazon. So let's go conduct some speed tests now.
What's up, YouTube? Appreciate you guys sticking around to the end of this video. Once again, this was the Meshforce Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System M3 dot model. And as you can see in the video, I did get consistent signal all around the house. So if you guys want to pick one up today, I'll leave a link in the description, and appreciate all that thumbs up, all the support from the community. And again, I'll see y'all in the next one.